Hi Crafty Peeps, it's Enis here, and I am back with another Temu haul. This is actually a combination of two orders that I received this week, one early in the week and then one yesterday. It is going to be mainly cabochons, charms, and beads with a few other doodads thrown in. And with that, let's get started. Let's take a look at these absolutely adorable little donuts. I mean, how cute are these? So cute. I mean, perfect for children's necklaces, for dangles. You could even take the little loops out and glue them to projects. But look at how cute those are. I think my favorites are the chocolates and the pink ones. So those are adorable. And your package comes with all of these. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20 in a pack. So that's, I don't remember what I paid for them, but it was a really good deal. And then let's move into this little container here. I bought 2 packages of these very cute strawberry milk cartons. Look at those. Aren't they adorable? Perfect for spring projects. Would have been nice for Valentine's, but we're past that now. But those are adorable. And then I picked up a pack of these little bunnies. And these bunnies, you get a variety in a package. Let me see if I can pick out a couple of different ones. But those are really sweet too. Oops, this one's upside down. So look at how cute those are. Very cute. So that's that. And then I got a package of these carrots, and you get a ton in a pack of the carrots, and they have little bunny faces inside of them. Look at how cute they are. I mean, this is an adorable haul. I really was trying to get some things for Easter started, and I ran across these bunnies and these carrots with the bunnies in them and some other things, and I just thought they'd be perfect for adding to projects. So look how adorable those are. So cute. And then I found these, and I had to get a package, and I love them so much. I might actually get more. It's popcorn. Look at that. It's popcorn. And I think I did order a die that is going to be like a popcorn popping station. I don't have it yet, but I think this will make a really cute project to add some of these little popcorns to. And then I got a package of these little ice creams, and they come in a variety of colors. We got green, pink, dark pink, light pink, yellow. We have blue in here, and also very adorable. Very adorable. Great for putting in your charm boxes when you're making your shares with people, for your swaps. And then I got a package of these. Now, I thought these were strawberries. I didn't read the description very well. They're actually peaches. They have a flat back, so they don't roll around. If you set them down, they're going to sit flat. But they're really pretty. Just, let me see if I can put them on a piece of cardstock, and if you can see them better that way, I don't know. But look how pretty those are. You got the little green leaves on the top and a loop so you can hang them on a necklace or a charm bracelet. And they also came in an aqua blue, and I may go back and get those because they were very adorable. And by the way, this little container here, this is one of those dollar store tool containers that you get in the tool section. Let me just grab all of these off of here so you can see the package. And I have been trying to get these at my local Dollar Trees. I've got 2 that aren't too far from me, and I've only been able to pick one up. So I decided to go online and order some, and I couldn't get, I just wanted to order 4 or 5 of them, and I couldn't get 4 or 5. So I ended up ordering a whole case of 30, and I don't think I'm going to regret it. I love putting things in these. Now, these cabochons are a little bit big for here, but this will be great for some other smaller jewelry findings, beads, and whatnot. So those are those cabochons and charms. And then I picked up these. little sweet candies. Once again, super adorable. They look like little candy packages. This one has hearts in it. Looks like that one might have hearts in it. Oh, maybe they all do. They all say sweet on them. Very, very cute. So those are cute. And then I picked up a pack of these, and all of this came in one package. There's a ton of these little candies. And these would be glue-ons unless you maybe use some E6000 to put a hook on them, or if you have a small enough drill bit or something that you can get through to put a loop on them. But I think these are just adorable, and you get all kinds of colors. They are small, but they're very cute, and I can see using these in a lot of different projects. And then, let me see, I got a pack of these little hearts. I'm sorry, these aren't hearts. These are little kitty heads. Almost look like Hello Kitty. And they have blue crystals on them. These are gold. I believe they also had silver, and you could get different color crystals, but aren't those pretty too? Very, very lovely. I think you get 10, 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, 10 in a package. So those are really pretty. Look how they shine and sparkle. And then, thinking ahead, I got myself some of these skulls, silver skulls, and they may have come, I think they came 3 different colors. They had gold, they had the silver, and then they had a silver that had like a black in the lines, you know, in the grooves of the design. So more like an antique look. So those are pretty cool. Love those. And then I picked up this pack of kitty charms. We got paws, and we've got little kitties in a variety of colors, black, blue, white. There's a little tiny kitty. That one's even smaller. Little pink paw, pink kitties. You get quite a bit in a package there too. So those are great little charms to add. And then I picked up some spacers. I did get the gold and I got the silver, and these are multicolored rhinestone spacers. Let me grab a pair of tweezers. See if we can't see that better. I don't know if you can see it well or not. Let's see. There we go. So there's a variety of colors on each one. Let's see if we can get them closer here and you can see them. I guess they don't show well on camera, but we've got blue and red, there's green, there's some gold in there. They're just really, really pretty spacer beads. So I did pick up a pack of silver and a pack of gold, and these also come with solid color stones too if you want them. I thought that this was mostly versatile to get multicolor, but I may go back and get some other ones. And then I picked up this little package. Quite a few. These are spacer beads as well, and you get all kinds of little shapes in here. We have hearts and little beads. Oops, sorry, I'm off camera. We have stars. There's a little flower there. Let me see if I can put these on here. Okay, just all kinds of little shapes. There's a circle there, there's stars, there's flowers. The hearts have a design on them. You got just a simple little round bead. You have faceted beads in there, and you get quite a few in a package there. And I do think they had these in silver as well, but I just picked up the gold. And then I got 2 packages of these beads. They are glass beads. Kind of look like marbles, only smaller, but they do have the swirls in them. Okay. I got the purple and I got the blue, but I think the blue are my favorite. But the purple are pretty too, depending on your project. So those are really pretty. And then I got a string of I think these are just plastic faceted beads, but I like them because they're faceted, they kind of really pick up the light and the color from other things. So this is really pretty, and you get this whole string. So that's quite a bit. I don't know what I paid for them, probably just $1 or $2, but I think it was well worth it. And then I got a package of these Crackled Beads. Actually, I got 2 sizes of Crackled Beads. Okay, I don't know if you can see the different sizes there. These are the smaller ones, but they come in a variety of colors. You can order solid packages of colors if you like, but I always like to get variety packs because that way I can pick out what I want to use for each different project. And if I want to go back and get a package of colors that I really seem to be using a lot of, I can always go back and do that. But I really like these crackles. Can you see how that, it's just so sparkly in there with the crackles? So those are really pretty. And the last set of beads that I picked up were these, also kind of marbly ones, but these are more solid and more like a mottled kind of coloring on them. Also very pretty. I like the pink ones, the red ones there, a lot of different colors. And so that's it for the beads and the cabochons. And now let me get to some of these extra little things I got. So I did pick up a few dies, and this little bunny set came all in one package. So those are cute. Starting to get in some Easter dies into my collection. Okay, so those will make really nice embellishments on packages, cards, and whatever you want to use them on. So that's the bunnies. And then I got this bunny die. That'll be really cute as a, an edge border on a card or something else. Very adorable. And of course, you know I can't resist the kitties, so I had to get these hugging kitties. Very cute. And then I picked up this Cinderella Carriage with horse die, and this is a really nice die. I've already used this die. I cut out some gold cardstock and it came out just beautiful. It was gorgeous, and I added it in as one of my cutouts in a Happy Mail package I sent to a friend a couple of days ago. So that is really pretty. And the last die in this set is this nested frame set, and it looks like torn paper. So that's cute if you're looking for a raggedy kind of design, a shabby chic kind of design. And you can use them like the centerpiece. A couple of these middle pieces you could probably use as tags, but I think that's really pretty too. And then, since my sister gifted me so many waxes in the Valentine swap, I picked up my own little bee wax stamp. So I will definitely be looking forward to using that on some packages and some cards. Very pretty. And like all the other stamps, they do come apart, so you can swap out the actual stamp part and only need one handle. Okay, so that was that. And then I picked up, let's see here, I really needed one of these. And you're probably wondering, what is that? This is actually a eyeglass screwdriver. So you just unscrew the end here, and if you look at the end, there's a little straight head screwdriver there that's perfect for tightening up your glasses. And for some reason, every pair of glasses I get, I think it's because I take them off, put them on, take them off, put them on, the screws come loose all the time. So one end has got the straight head, and the other end, I believe, has a Phillips, little Phillips screwdriver there. So that's great, and it comes on a keychain, so you can have it with you wherever you go. So I was really happy to find that, and it was like $1. So definitely went into my cart. Then I picked up a little package of these Garmen Pins. Come in a variety of colors. Okay, I know you guys have used these on different things before. You got silver, white, lilac, a light purple there, green, orange, there's yellow, there's gold, there's just all kinds of colors. So those will be very handy. You get quite a few in a package there too. Let's see if I can get this picked up. And then I picked up 2 of these little silicone mats. I've seen a couple other crafters have them on their videos, and they're perfect when you're using your hot glue gun, or actually if you're doing any kind of gluing, just to put that underneath so that you don't burn your surface or get your hot glue or your other glue on your surface. And I did pick up 2. I got one for me and one for my sister. And then I got 1 stamp set, and these are Scardy Cats. Yeah. Really scary looking cats. This one almost looks like it came from Alice in Wonderland. The Cheshire cat, only he's not chubby enough. But they are very cute. This one says Mad About You. This one says Get Better Soon. And this one is Dia de Muertes. I'm sure I'm pronouncing that wrong because I don't speak Spanish. But that is a really cute stamp set. And then I picked up 4 of these little containers here. I like these for my seed beads and sometimes for small packages of sequins. So I got 4 of those. And that's it for the Temu haul. And then I also got a couple of things from Amazon. I did pick up one of these bag sealers. And I tried it out the other day and I wasn't impressed with it. I don't know if I'm using it on the wrong kind of material or what the story is, but I'm going to have to give it a try on some other things. I tried it on a plastic bag and it did seal, but I had to hold it for quite a long time. And I don't think you're supposed to hold it for very long for risk of burn or melting. So that was that. And like I said, these came from Amazon. And then I want to try to make some pokey tools. And I found this package, and I think there's like 50 of these turkey skewers in here. I know that's a lot. I didn't need that many, but it was super cheap, so I figured I might as well get them. I believe they're 6 inches long. Yeah, they're 6 inches long from the top of the circle to the tip. And the beading surface is going to be about 5 inches. So I think that's a good size. I will definitely be at least making one of these for myself. So I hope you enjoyed seeing my massive Temu haul. Checking out all my goodies. Let me grab my little cabochons out here again. I mean, this is just too cute, too adorable. I think I'm becoming addicted to collecting these and I need to start doing projects and using them. So keep watching for future videos and hopefully you will see some projects coming out soon that are going to feature some of these little goodies and some of these extra beads and whatnot that I got. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, that you might try out some of these fun items that I picked up at Temu. The shipping is really fast and they keep you informed all the way where your package is at, and they have a good variety. I would like to see more dies there, but you can pick up some good dies there. And with that, I guess I will say goodbye. Have a great weekend, and I hope to see you on the next crafty video. Bye, Crafty Peeps.